Hello, I'm Dr. Laura Yabushita and I do practice of injectable aesthetical medicine in São Paulo, Brazil. And I took the skincare specialist program. The reason why I chose this course is that I was so frustrated to do not dominate the results of the skin dermis and I was not satisfied. I've been spending so long years studying the intradermis giving the best results, but I always felt that there's something, the outside, something was missing.
After that, we're gonna also explain the skin pigment 색소 침착. Because of acne. 색소 침착은 이 아크네로 인해서 색소 침착이 생기기도 하고요.
텐션 쏙쏙.
주름 방향 이대로.
I learned many protocols, especially what impressed me more was the protocol of cleansing, deep cleansing, massage, and the combination between the machines impressed me a lot. The results comes naturally. Mikwang class showed me the different way to see the aesthetics. So I could see the difference and why the results of the skincare Korean is so different. Why they bright, why they have glass skin. So it is the results of so many jobs and so many different habits that comes in the beautiful result.
It's so dirty. Yeah. Very nice. Good.
올릴게. 업, 다운. 오케이. 팔. 오케이. 오케이. 원. 투. 쓰리. 오케이. 포. 헤어라인. 예스. 노즈.
I'm so excited to show to the Brazilian people all the techniques that I learned in Korea. Also, I'm feeling so much confident now to do the practice and the protocols I learned here. Now I can tell that I know the Korean skincare practice. Also, the habit is changed a lot. The habit of cleansing myself, skincare, and everything changed during my stay here in Korea. My plan is to put in practice all the protocols as a new protocols in Brazil that I still didn't see there. So teach the people how to clean their skin, how to treat well from outside to inside also.
콜에 맞춰서 돌려.
우리 모공 청소해줄 부분이라고 생각하시면 될 것 같아요. 오케이? pH.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Vivi and all the teams, they are so qualified, so specialized in skincare. They know everything. So when you see their practice, you'll be enchanted of the knowledge about the skincares. So that's why I recommend all of the overseas students to come and to be worth. You can do something different in your country when you go back.
Very nice. Forehand. Okay. 네. Okay.
Two times.
One time is okay.
자, 그럼 손에다가 살짝 보여주자면 얘가 이렇게 약간 이렇게가 아니라 이렇게 돌려가면서 이렇게
Korea Mikwang Beauty Academy. 좋아요.
여러분 안녕하세요. 우리 브라질에서 온 로라가 10일 10데이 스킨케어 코스로 졸업을 합니다. 와! 박수! 우리 로라가 로라 키미아라는 클리닉을 운영하고 있고요. 거기에 한국 스킨케어를 전복해서 앞으로 더 발전된 모습을 보일 예정인데요. 10일 동안 너무 즐겁게 수업을 했고요. 피부에 굉장히 관심이 많습니다. 물론 닥터다 보니까 관심이 많겠지만 더 특별히 관심이 많았고요. 그리고 굉장히 열심히 공부를 했어요. 제발 그만 좀 해 할 정도로 공부를 열심히 했고요. 아마 좋은 결과로 더 많은 발전이 있을 거라 기대됩니다. 여러분 많이 축하해 주시고요. 우리 로라 어떻게 발전하는지 기대해 주세요. 로라! Certificate!
Wow.
Wow!
So beautiful.
Bye bye, Laura. Bye bye, Beauty. Bye bye. Yes. On the right. Yes, lip side. 2. 모아야지. 3, 4, 5, 6. Down. Okay. One more time.
자, 수기 씨 여기 보면 다 준비했어요? 자, 다시 세팅해. 저기 바구니에 있는 거 각 틀어짐 없이 딱 각만.